Hello you guys, welcome back to DIY Dreams, and today we're going to be playing with slime. I have loved slime for a very long time, and that's why I'm super excited to play with it today. I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe on how to make some slime. I'm also going to be showing you some of my very favorite slimes today. I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and you might become part of DIY Dreams. Now without further ado, on to the video. So the very first step of this video, I suppose, is establishing which ingredients I will be using. Now usually, I would be using all of these ingredients to make the perfect slime, but for this tutorial, I will only be using 2 of these ingredients. Can you guess what ingredients I will be using? Now the normal person would say the activator, and of course the glue. But we are actually not going to be using either of those ingredients, so let's just take those both away. We are actually going to be just using shaving cream and Model Magic. Now, this is the quantity of Model Magic I will be using. I know you might see this in later down the road, but this is the perfect size of Model Magic. Now, I will be using the big tub of Model Magic for this video, but I will be using around this much Model Magic. Now for the shaving cream, I'm just going to show you the shaving cream that I will be using. It's a pretty simple shaving cream. I'm going to be using shaving foam, not shaving cream, not shaving gel, but shaving cream will work the exact same way. So the slime, as I said, it's very easy. I just have my quantity of Model Magic right here. I like Model Magic because it's kind of soft, kind of creamy, and I'm just going to take my Model Magic and literally just get my shaving cream and just squirt a whole mound of shaving cream literally right on my Model Magic. Now this is very messy. I don't recommend just freehanding this. I more recommend doing this, like, as I said, as a very safe project over a bowl. But I'm literally just going to mix my Model Magic into my slime, and I will see you right in a minute. So this is what your slime should look like. You'll notice that the Model Magic has gotten a lot more stretchy. It's gotten a lot softer, and if we just put it just here, it's literally turned into a soft butter slime with only 2 squirts. So it's turned into a much more soft slime texture slime, and I just love it. It's so easy and so amazing, and it involves no glue. It's super cheap, and if you're using white Model Magic like I am, of course Model Magic comes with colors, but if you're using white, you can buy very cheap dyes at dollar stores and just grocery stores, and you can dye white into a lot of different colors. So I just love this slime so much. And yeah, so I just thought I'd show you this before I show the satisfying slimes in this tutorial. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very easy slime that I just absolutely love, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. I certainly did. Make sure to stay tuned for a studio remodel. Now, till next time, bye guys!